Got this lamp for $1 or $2, can't remember. It's a cute little lamp, but I want to turn it into a solar light. First thing I'm gonna do is try and get this green stuff off. Got a rag here. I don't know if it's paint or what. All right, couldn't get that off, so gotta come to the next thing here. Ooh, I really like these. So you got these sort of hang down. Some more, covered it up. Okay, so then we're going to cut off the cord. Then I screwed it back on there and got my black solar light. Yep, works. And then we're just gonna put it in like that. Now you can hot glue it in there if you want. I got this darling little hanging basket for $1, and I thought, oh my, that is gonna look so cute as a solar light. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make this into a solar light. Right in there. Then to kind of cover it up just a little bit, I'm going to take some greenery. And I got this for free at a thrift store. Okay, I don't like that. So now I could hot glue this in here, but I think I'm gonna try something different. These I got part of a bundle. And you can push the leaves up and down. And when you do that, then you have more stem. All right, this one is super simple. I'm going to take a mirror that I got at Dollar Tree, just like so. And then I'm going to stick the solar light right in the center. You can glue it on if you want, but by putting it on the mirror, you get double the amount of light. Okay, I got this at a thrift store, and I think it was $2, I can't remember, but I haven't even opened it yet to see. And it looks like it's some sort of a candle holder. I guess I should have opened it to see what I was getting first. Yep, candle holders, just like that. So, oh my goodness, is this gonna like this? Ooh, free candles to boot. Well, maybe. Okay, put this in the shipping department. And, all right, so this is what I have. So I'm gonna give this a good coat of paint, and then let's see if our solar lights will fit. Ooh, they will. They will fit perfectly on there. Okay. Let's see, let's get this out. Oh, let me use. So as I'm looking at this, this would be a pretty cool stand upside down just for like a table decoration. Man, I may have to do a couple of things with this. Okay, we're gonna let this dry and then we're gonna paint it. Always do the back side first That way if it's not totally dry, then if something gets stuck on it, it's on the back side and not the front. Okay, that side's dry. Now we're gonna do this side. Wow, there is not a lot of difference in the color here, but there's a few scrapes and stuff, so I'll just go ahead and cover it up. Normally, I would throw these in the dishwasher, but I want to get this project done today, so that's not going to happen. That could not have fit any more perfect on my door. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. Next thing I have is this. Wow, that is very sharp. Leaf thing. And I think that these will fit right on there. They will. Okay, so let me wipe this down and then I can paint it. All right, I think I'm gonna paint this one in a hammered brown. I think is what I'm gonna do, yeah. Okay, I got my little leaf thing here and I'm gonna give it a fresh coat of paint. My paint is dry and oh dear, oops. Well, didn't mean to do that. Okay, let's see. Again, I'm just hot gluing these into place because I have another thing I want to do with these. So you can use E600 if you want to make it permanent. Okay, I got this thing for free. And what I think it is a plate holder. But I'm trying to figure out how I should go about using it. I think it'd be really cool. What should I put here? I guess I could buy some plates and put them on there. Oh, wait, I think I know. Hold on. Okay, so I got these. I think they were $1. I can't remember. For us to eat off of, but then somebody said they might contain lead. I'm like, oh, that's probably not the best idea, but let's see. Ooh, that would be pretty. Even outside, that would be really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna give it a try. 1, 2, 3. They were 25 cents at the Habitat Restore. Thank you for giving us all the good deals over there. Okay, so normally I would use E600 for something like this, but I think I want to try a couple of different arrangements with this, so I'm just going to use hot glue. Whole thing like, nope. Yep, just like that. Okay. Oh man, it's too big. I think that looks pretty darn cute. So I can secure all this down, but I want to see what it looked like. And I think I'm not going to secure it down because I think I want to try another arrangement with some different plates and stuff. This one here, I got these 3 stands at a yard sale for $1 for all 3, right there. Then I got these little dessert cups for 25 cents at the thrift store. And I just put a solar light in there, and it's gonna fill in this hole where the deer keep eating all my flowers. Okay, I have to say, I absolutely love the way this turned out. So stinking cute. Wow, that is so pretty.